Hey guys, it's Jessie. Can you guess what kind of video we're gonna do today? That's right, it's Shopkins! So there's a brand new Shoppie that we're gonna have coming in, and I wonder who it could be.
Oh my god, it's Popettes Popcorn Stop!
So here she is with her yellow and blue hair and her cute little popcorn outfit. So this set includes 5 exclusive Shopkins. Alright, so here is a description of Popettes Popcorn Stop, and it says it's gonna be a whole lot of fun. How cute. So here we have Kelly Kernels, Butter Bob, Peppercorn. It comes with the Poppy cooker, and then we have caramel sauce and Poppino. And of course we have the one and only Poppete. And here is her bio, and it shows what her favorite hobby is and her favorite place to shop, which is the cinema popcorn cart. Wonder how fun that is. Alright, so we are going to start opening up this bad boy. Alright, I finally got it open. Alright, so once you open it, you get this cool exclusive Poppete VIP card. And there's a code on the back that you can use on the Shopkins app. Alright, so we're going to get Poppete out of here.
Wow, it feels so nice to be out of there finally.
So in this bag, we have her stand that she can stand up on. Oh, her apron's messed up.
Let's get our Shopkins out to play.
Okay, so here we have Poppette's popcorn bucket, and there's also a blue mixing bowl that comes with it. Oh no, Poppete! She's okay. Okay, so here we have her popcorn hairbrush. So let's go ahead and fluff it up a little bit.
Oh, I just look pop-tastic. Thank you, hairbrush.
Okay, so now we are going to take out our Poppy cooker. Okay, so this is Poppy cooker. She has a little swinging popcorn maker on the top and a storage on the bottom. Oh, I just can't wait to make some delicious popcorn.
Don't worry, Poppy Cooker. We'll have some in no time.
Alright, let's get more Shopkins. Yay, we're finally out, guys. It feels awesome to stretch out here. Ugh. I agree with you, Pippa. It feels great to be out here. I totally agree. Me too! Oh no, Poppete!
Whew, that feels better.
So we are going to start putting some of our Shopkins in the Poppy cooker machine. So I think caramel sauce and butter bob are going to go down here.
They're just so adorable.
And Poppino, we're going to put you right here, all safe and warm. And then we're going to put Pippa up here until we can find a cool spot for her. Oh look, we can put Kelly Kernels in here all nice and snug. Look at that.
Oh, Poppete, let's fix your hair one more time.
Alright, we'll put Peppercorn right here in this bowl. I think Poppete has something to tell us.
Hey, psst. Jessie actually told me she has a surprise for us. I can't wait to see what it is. I hope it's something fun.
Oh my god, it's a Season 5 Shopkins blind bag!
Shopkins!
So the Season 5 Petkins backpacks are pink and turquoise. And it also has 2 surprise Season 5 Shopkins inside. So let's open it to see what it is. Oh my goodness, how cute are these backpacks? And here's our Shopkins checklist. Look at all the Shopkins on here. It's crazy. Okay, so we are going to open up our first blind bag and we are going to see what it is. How cute is this piece of cake? Come on. Okay, so her name is actually Linda Layered Cake. How cute! Okay, time for the second blind bag.
Shopkins!
Oh my gosh, it's a little bathtub. How cute! So her name is Bertha Bath and she's a little bathtub. She's got bubbles and a faucet and even a little yellow rubber ducky.
Bathtub!
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this shoptastic video.
If you want to see more of us, just subscribe.
I hope you guys have a poppin' good day and check out our next video.
Bye, guys!